Today's Bible verse comes from 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 16, King James Version. Know ye not that ye are the temple of God, and that the Spirit of God dwelleth in you? In 1 Corinthians 3:16, Paul reminds the church in Corinth that they, as a collective body, are God's temple, where God's Spirit dwells, emphasizing the sacredness of their community and calling them to live in holiness. Here's a more detailed explanation about this verse. The context. Paul is addressing the divisions and immorality within the church in Corinth. You are the temple of God. Paul uses the image of a temple, a sacred place where God dwells, to describe the church, and that the Spirit of God dwells in you. He emphasizes that God's presence is not just in a building, but within the believers themselves as a collective. Here's the significance. Number 1, sacredness. By calling the church God's temple, Paul underscores the sacredness of the community and the importance of living in a way that honors God. Number 2, unity. The concept of being a temple highlights the importance of unity and fellowship within the church, as they are all part of the same sacred dwelling place. Number 3, holiness. The church, as God's temple, is called to maintain holiness and live in a way that reflects God's character. Here's the implications. Avoid division. Paul is urging the Corinthians to focus on unity and not be divided over human leadership, recognizing that they are all part of God's temple. God's presence. Paul reminds the Corinthians that God's presence is not just in a building, but within them as a community, and they should live accordingly.